The minimum recommended tread depth on a tyre is 3 millimeters. A neat and easy way to check your tyre's tread depth is to take a 20p piece and place it upright in the main grooves of the tyre. If the outer band of the coin is obscured by the tyre, then your tyre is above the minimum legal requirement. However, if you can see any of the outer band of the coin, it's time to change your tyre. You should check your tyre pressures a minimum of once a month, whether your car has a tyre pressure monitoring system or not. Always set them to the car manufacturer's specifications, which can be found in the handbook, behind the fuel filler cap, or on the door shuts. Use a tyre inflation machine to check your current tyre pressures and, if required, inflate or deflate to the manufacturer's recommended settings. Be sure to do visual checks of your tyres on a regular basis. Look out for any bulges, cracks, cuts, nails, or even bubbles in the sidewall. Apart from foreign objects becoming lodged in the tyre, the main causes of severe tyre damage are too much contact with curbs and potholes. If you're in any doubt about the condition of your tyres, get them checked over by a professional.